My name is Stefan. I'm from Germany. Nade Germany. Pere Stefan. Kochu Malayalam. And what is love? Yeah, love is understanding. Love is to be honest to each other. Love is to feel person. Love is to share things together. Love is really amazing to have, to share with somebody. Yeah, it's something about sharing yourself, understand yourself, what you are and what you do to others and how you feel the other person. And yeah, I'm staying now since 1 year here in India, and I've seen different kind of loves in the world, but there's for me only one love, and this is the love to the people and to the world, to the nature. And